This is one seriously creepy ice cream. The man was just about to eat it. Suddenly, the ice cream started crying like a baby. It freaked the man out instantly. At first, he thought he was hallucinating, but when he tried to take another bite, the crying just wouldn't stop. Panicking, he quickly grabbed a pacifier. The little guy finally calmed down, but the peace didn't last long. That night, it started crying again. He tried the pacifier again, but clearly, the little guy wasn't having it. With no other choice, he held it and rocked it. But then something unexpected happened. The little guy suddenly pooped. The man rushed to grab an ice cream tray from the cabinet and slid it right under the little guy's butt. Finally, it fell asleep peacefully, with the man taking such good care of it. Soon the little guy grew a face. From then on, the man treated him like his own child. First, he taught him how to walk. When he fell, the man totally panicked. Luckily, the little guy bounced back fast. Then the man started teaching him math. Even when he got it wrong, the man stayed patient. He even taught him all kinds of instruments. With the man never giving up, the little guy picked up tons of skills. He could finish a puzzle in under a minute, but he was still super ambitious. Soon he got accepted into a top school.
Azona.